Discover the hidden gems of Vietnam with ZAZEN Travel. Immerse in the vibrant culture of Vietnam, a country rich in history and natural beauty. ZAZEN Travel welcomes you to experience undeniable charm. Embark on an unforgettable journey. From bustling city streets, tranquil villages, lush landscapes to pristine beaches, Vietnam has much to offer. ZAZEN Travel makes it possible. Unlike traditional tourism that often focuses solely on sightseeing, ZAZEN Travel specializes in cultural and culinary tours. This gives visitors a much deeper understanding of authentic Vietnamese culture, lifestyle, and cuisine. Our guests love us because we don't just take them on a trip, we take them on a journey of the heart. We believe that travel should be a transformative experience, and that's what we aim to deliver with every trip we plan. We go above and beyond to ensure that our guests feel valued, appreciated, and cared for. Explore local cuisine. Taste the authenticity in every bite. ZAZEN Travel ensures you enjoy the best of Vietnamese food. Walk through history. Visit ancient temples and architectural wonders. ZAZEN Travel curates tours to Vietnam's most significant historical sites. There is no better way to experience the real Vietnam than booking with ZAZEN Travel. An adventure that is truly unforgettable, authentic Vietnamese.